be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Halifax online banking account. So for those people who do not know Halifax, Halifax is a British banking brand operating as a trading division of Bank of Scotland, itself a wholly owned subsidiary of Lloyds Banking Group. It is named after the town of Halifax, West Yorkshire, where it was founded as a building society in 1853. So that is like a short description of what Halifax is, when it was founded, how it was founded, alright? Now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your Halifax online banking account. First step, you want to go to halifax.co.uk, which is the official website of Halifax. Make sure it says halifax.co.uk, alright? Once you're in its official website, you can see where it says signing, click on it, and it's going to take you to its login page. If you click on register, it's going to take you to its registering page. Now, if you don't have an account, you want to go to register, fill up their form, create an account. But if you already have an account, you want to go on login. Once you click on login, it's going to bring you over here. Over here, you need to enter the username of your account. After you enter the username of your account where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. And once you enter the password of your account, click on continue. If the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Halifax account, alright? And if you forgot your sign-in details like your username or your password, you can click on forgotten your sign-in details over here in order to recover your account's detail as well, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can recover your account detail as well.